All right, hello, fellow entrepreneur. You're having a little bit of issue with your products not showing up on your store. So we have our test store here, and let me show you what is maybe going on with your products. So if we are in our test store and we go to our products, we can see we have 3 test products here in our test store. We have a hat, we have a pant, we have a t-shirt. And we want to sell all of these products. However, if we go and view my online store, our beautiful store, we see only our beautiful t-shirt here and nothing else. We have 3 products here. We only have 1 product on our store, and we're not sure why. All the products have inventory. All the products are active. All the products are on our product page. They all have titles and pictures. But there's one thing that we need to make sure we don't forget. And we can see this by going to the product that is published. So again, if we go to our online store, the only product that is published is this example green t-shirt. So if we compare our example t-shirt to our example pants, we will see the problem. It's on the screen. See if you can spot it. The problem with this is our publishing. So we have to make sure if we're publishing things, especially if we're importing products with a CSV file, we have to make sure that they are published to the right channel. Draw our attention to this publishing section right here on the right side. We can look at sales channel that the product is actually published to currently. So we can edit this by clicking on these 3 dots and it'll give us 2 options. Manage sales channels is where the product can be sold, and manage markets is what countries the product can be bought from. Right now, we are going to click on manage sales channels, and we can see that because we imported these products with a CSV, it only published our product to our point of sale sales channel. That is different than the online store. We see the online store is not clicked. So if we click this box and we hit done and we hit save, we can now see that the online sales channel green dot is now active, and the point of sale is yellow because we currently don't have a point of sale set up, even though in our channels we marked it as sell in our point of sale as well. So if we navigate to our example t-shirt, we can see that the online store sales channel is now green and active. And if we navigate to our pants, we can also see that the green online store is now active. And if we navigate to our hat, we can see that the green online store sales channel is not active, is not listed here. So once again, we can go manage sales channels, make sure that our online store sales channel is clicked as active. And we can click done. That means we want this hat, this product to be published to our online store. We can click save. And now the online store sales channel again is marked green. All 3 of our products are marked green, so we can give our admin a quick little refresh, and we can now preview our store, and we can now see that all 3 products are now published to our online store. These are now available for purchase. They are now clickable. They are now available to our customers. And it's just because one major issue that some people may overlook, because you have a lot of things going with your online stores, to make sure that it is published to the correct sales channel. Hope this helps. You're doing a great job with your online store. I know a lot of things can be very overwhelming when you're just starting off, and that's why I make these tutorial videos just like this to help fellow entrepreneurs grow a community of like-minded entrepreneurs so we can all grow our business dreams and our businesses, our online stores together. If that's something that interests you, consider subscribing, joining the channel, and if you do, I will see you in the next video.